We're going to review the top 5 best food steamer, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Bella 7.4 Quart Healthy Food Steamer. Our best electric steam cooker choice, the Bella Healthy Food Steamer is a safe, user-friendly model. The ability to cook multiple dishes simultaneously is an advantage. It also helps if you need to prepare for different dietary requirements, for example, meat in one basket and vegetarian in the other. The design isn't overly appealing, but it is great value for a lightweight multi-basket machine that you can use without worrying. The transparent water view window allows you to see if the water level is running low. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 5.5 Quart Digital Food Steamer. Hamilton Beach Digital Food Steamer comes with a vast array of useful features. The digital control allows you to program the time quickly, and also has a time delay function, so you can set it to start cooking even before you get home. With the Keep Warm function, you don't have the stress of having to precisely set your steamer to finish cooking at precisely the same time as other non-steam dishes. This makes coordinating your meals a whole lot easier. Number 3. Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer. The Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer is our premium pick for an electric food steamer. While it comes with a higher price tag than many other machines, it is robust, professional-looking, and highly adaptable in terms of cooking times. With start, stop, pause, reheat, or keep warm options and an easy-to-read timer, perfect steam cooking is highly achievable. There are 5 pre-programmed settings, including a manual option, so lots of flexibility around cooking times. Number 4. Oster Sancherfield Stainless Steel Steamer Set. As an alternative to an electric steamer, Oster Stainless Steel Steamer is our best cookware pick. It is incredibly easy to use. Simply boil water in the casserole pot and place the steamer pot on top. As it is stackable, it doesn't take up much room and comes with a glass lid so you can see your cooking in progress. The Oster stainless steel set is excellent value for money as it can be used as a food steamer, and also as a standalone pan, so you don't need to invest in an additional saucepan. Number 5. Rosewill bpafree 3-tier electric food steamer. Rosewill electric food steamer is the best value option for an electric food steamer, primarily for the amount of space and additional features you get for the money. The 3 different tiers give you a total of 9L cooking capacity, yet the nesting design means that it takes up minimum storage space. It also comes with an egg holder for up to 6 eggs and a rice cooker bowl, all BPA free, meaning there are very few things that it won't safely steam.